When you really look at it, art, love, and devotion are all the same thing. And I love this concept. Oh, there was an eagle there. But I love this concept because I was just thinking today, and it occurred to me, how would I define art? What is art? Art is so big, so abstract. Like there's dancing, there's painting, singing, there's you are UI UX designers, artists, 100%. Are proper coders, artists, 100%. So what qualifies as art? And I realized that it's not what you're doing, but it's how you're doing it. When you lose yourself, when your tools, your creation, it all becomes one continuous thing. And when you're lost in that, and that is the performance of art. When you're totally engrossed and it's art is happening through you, that is art. That's what I call as the bigger definition of art. And this has this element of losing of my own identity. That I am no different from my creation, from my tool, from the world around me. That it is all the same, it is all happening in harmony. And that's exactly what you do in love. The fundamental aspect of love is caring about someone or something beyond yourself, of losing your own identity to accommodate theirs, to become one with them. That's what love is, right? That you extend, that you forget that barrier that we perceive, that this is me, this is them. No, it is ours. That's what love is. And then devotion is similar, because you're asked to focus on God and concentrate on God and let everything else aside. Let your worries, your problems, let all of that go aside and just focus on one thing, which is God. That is also in a way losing yourself, right? You're losing yourself, you're letting yourself go and focusing on or engaging in something bigger. So all of them have the same aspect of letting go and embracing and being present in that moment. So present that you forget that there is a moment and a moment after the other, and like that whole thing. So art, love, and devotion are the same thing. And I love that. I freaking love that. That means they're interchangeable. That when I'm making this video, I'm actually in an act of love and devotion, and who can refute that? So I love it, and I hope you have a good day with that thought. Happy morning.